Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to open PDF file in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. So let's dive in. Now, in order to open PDF file in Microsoft Word, you have to convert PDF file to Word file. Now, in order to do it, just head over to Chrome and type on the search bar PDF to Word converter. Now go on this website. I love PDF. Click on it. Now select the PDF file you want to upload. I'm going with this one. Now click on convert to Word. Click on download Word. Now the file is downloaded. Go back again on your Word. Click on file on top left corner and click on open. Now click on browse. Select the file you have downloaded. Now that's it. That's how you can open PDF file in your Word. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.